Hello everyone, welcome to Two-Bot Agency. Imagine uploading a restaurant image, actually analyzing it with AI, generating a custom promotional image, and instantly sending it to Telegram or any other application you want to, all in one automated workflow. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I build this complete AI-powered restaurant workflow step by step. Let's jump to the workflow. At first, let me brief you about this workflow. Here's the full automation pipeline. We start with the restaurant image input, then we process it, upload it, analyze it using AI. I use Gemini here. Generate a new image based on AI prompts and finally send it automatically to any apps. I use Telegram here. The workflow begins with a restaurant image node. This is the entry point where we upload or receive an image. This could come from a user, an admin panel, or even a restaurant owner. Once the image enters the system, the automation begins. In the next step, extract from file, we extract the file and convert it into a base64 string. You know why base64? Because most API require image data in encoded format for processing and transfer. This ensures the image can be safely sent to external device. In the next step, we use HTTP request for uploading image into our ImgBB. We use ImgBB because for it at free trial. After encoding, we upload the image to an external hosting device service. In this case, ImgBB is a post request. You can say I use it already. Okay. This generates a public image URL. That URL will later be used for our AI model for image analysis. This step is important because AI vision models typically work with accessible image URLs. Then we here comes the node analyze an image. We use Google Gemini. Now comes the intelligence layer. We send the image to an AI vision model. The AI analyzes what food items are present, presentation style, ambience, color tone, branding opportunities. This transforms a single simple image into a structured data we can use. After analyzing an image, we then used a AI model, which is a prompt generator. We use Gemini chat model and thinking tool in our output. This is the brain of the workflow. We give our prompt here. That's the prompt I used. The prompt generator uses Google Gemini chat model, memory handling, output cursor, and a think tool for reasoning. Based on the analyzed image, it generates a high quality image generation prompt. Instead of randomly generating an image, now we can create a smart context aware promotional prompt. After that, we give uh, this prompt generator gives us an output. After that node, we again use image generator. I again used Google Gemini for that. Now we send that optimized prompt into an image generation model. The AI creates a brand new promotional image based on the original food, enhanced styling, marketing aesthetics, professional lighting. This turns raw restaurant photos into social media ready marketing assets. That's the image we got from our Gemini model. Okay, then comes the Telegram ticket notes. Finally, the generated image is automatically sent via Telegram. This could go to a restaurant owner, a marketing team, or even directly to a posting bot. Fully automated, no manual interventions. Now let's discuss some real world use cases. This workflow can be used for restaurant marketing automation, AI powered food branding, automated social media content, cafe promotional image generation, AI restaurant agents, and blah blah blah. So many options. It reduces manual design work and speeds up content creation. We combine here file processing, API integration, AI vision, prompt engineering, image generation, messaging automation into one seamless pipeline. This is what modern AI automation looks like. Now, I will show you how this workflow actually works. Let's start. At first, I will choose a file from my computer. That's a salad image. And I will name this dish to salad. Let's go what this workflow gives us in output. Let's see. You have to wait a little bit. Wait a little bit more. Let's see. Amazing, amazing. You see how this workflow absolutely works fabulous. If you want more advanced AI automation workflow like this, subscribe to the channel. I will be breaking down more real-world AI systems step by step. And if you want the workflow template, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.